It's me, Mario, and I'm me, baby Mario. And today we are in a thunderstorm. Oh no! And you can see it's raining pretty hard out there, and the sky is really, really crazy. So that's why we're in this fort we made. So, anyways, we have to take cover. We hope this rain gets out. So, whoa! Did you see that lightning? Whoa, there's lightning! Let's look at the sky and see. Okay, there's no lightning. Whoa! Did you hear that thunder? Whoa, it's thunder! Wow, it's raining real hard out there. Whoa! I just saw a lightning bolt. Up there! Up there, there's a lightning bolt. Boy. Oh yeah, sorry Luigi won't be joining. He didn't want to make this video. Boy. This is crazy. It's raining real hard, baby Mario, isn't it? Yeah. Whoa! I just saw the shock. Oh, there's that. This is really crazy, people, Mario. Look at all the rain. Wait a minute. Oh, never mind. Well, we're surviving it. So, it's raining really hard. Whoa. Good thing we have cover. Okay, well, please subscribe to this video and we'll see you next time. Bye. Bye.